Come and kick it with the family. You already know we were chilling in the back over at Apple's family's home. We love and care and share our stuff. Daily parenting, doing challenges, we live and we laugh. Spending family time and planning out our goals. The Apple family will show you just how it goes. But wait, you can watch and see how we grow because adventure is life. You're in for surprise. So don't wait now. Go and click to subscribe.
This is cooking channel. Look, it's cooking channel. Because literally they said they are always looking forward to your food, not my food. So
I don't know how to cook.
they love all these things that you do. So
I'm just doing I'm just doing my own special
Shawama.
My own, it's my own. It might not be the one that you used to do, so it's my own. So I got
Special
sausage,
Shawama recipe.
boiling it. I got onions. I got lamb.
You need to slow down for them to see. It's got lamb.
Lamb miss.
I've
got beef though, but I'm not using beef. Onions. Yeah. So I've got this, and I've got.
Chef is not even organized. You've got that. It's got this. We are so hungry.
I've got this.
It's got that. You can't just say you've got this. You need to give them the name. And I tell them what's this.
Mozzarella and cheddar mixture. I like cheddar, but I don't really like the taste. Yeah, you should.
Oh, sorry.
I like cheddar, but I don't really like the taste.
Cheddar
but I
cheese.
love mozzarella. I love it.
Mozzarella.
I love it. So I kind of like mix it together so that I get the grated cheddar and mozzarella cheese mix. That way it gives you that, that taste.
So let me do it for him because he's just saying this. It's got wrap. He's using wrap. He's using beef sausage, halal beef sausage. He's using lab mince. Some people use minced beef, so it's up to you. He's using ketchup. He's using this Nando sauce.
Now this is for me. You don't
want it as well.
Need to use this.
Yeah, you don't. But I like it. I just like it.
This too.
So and he's also using
put
mayonnaise.
This back in the fridge.
Silela. Come on, Silela. I don't know why though. I know.
So the mixed meat, the minced lamb. I'm just using lamb so to give it a different.
Yeah, you can
taste.
just say minced beef. They understand.
Yeah. So I've just mash it together.
Do you put any sauce?
No, not yet. I haven't put anything yet. Just mash it together. Okay. Yes, I wanna boil it differently. The water can come out and use the water to cook it and all of that. So that's the plan.
I can't wait to get Lord. When I move to our new house, I'm getting a new pot. New house, new pot.
There's no need.
For new pot. Why?
I'm just saying you don't need. You don't need. Why are you waiting to get to new house?
No, it's new house needs something.
Like you did in Australia.
You know, Chef Apozi in the building.
We work on it.
Yeah.
Oluwa wiwa.
What?
Why look for Oluwa wiwa for me?
What is Daddy cooking?
Daddy is making shawarma. I said his own shawarma recipe. Are you meant to be using small spoon as a chef? Your chef is not professional. I think he's hungry. Go on, get it. Which one do you want? No, eat waffles. You are going to eat lunch now. Give Imran as well.
I like this ginger powder.
Spice.
Yes. Is this spice or I don't know?
I don't even know.
I want to season it. Like I said, I'm doing it my own way. You can do it your own way.
No, I mean, it's fine. They can try your own recipe, your own way as well. They might like it. They can try it and they might like it. I mean, that's the main purpose of them watching. Let's just say it do scare onions. Because I didn't know you were going to call it. I didn't know you were going to take it out.
Still gonna add it back, but it's just
because of the water.
Yeah, wait for the meat
beef.
to.
Okay.
finish.
He said he's doing this because, you know, with minced beef or lamb meat, if you're doing it, a lot of water come out. So he's doing this process to extract the water
Yes.
from it.
Thank you, assistant chef.
You're welcome. You're welcome. We'll be right back at Post Family. I don't think I can hold this camera for too long.
You can smell.
I can't smell it.
Okay. I can smell the beef, the lamb aroma coming out from. Come and smell it.
I can smell, of course.
Yeah, so you can feel it. And you know lamb is very oily as well.
Yeah.
So
Oh, that's true.
exactly.
It's different from meat.
Yeah, it's different from the beef. So it's
The
very
minced
oily.
beef.
So it's
Okay, I'll be right back. So we have the oil and water mixed together.
it's majority the oil.
Yeah.
We're just trying to separate it.
Sausages!
I know. Will this sausage be enough for us though?
That should be.
I don't want them! That's your thing!
You know, let me hear what I been.
I would like to go to get Shawama and
Yummy, yummy. In my tummy.
We're just gonna do it for a little while just to mix it together. We're not gonna let it get dry.
Okay.
Because if we do it's gonna be like 1 1 1 1 1.
Okay, so we'll grab back at Post Family.
Guys.
I'm taking my life. Yeah.
Darling.
James. Hi, darlings.
So darlings. Now, before I forget.
Yeah. Please, you are meant to pay me for this. So. Post Family, smash the like button for this effort of me. Tell our Post Family to smash the like button for me taking the camera everywhere.
Smash the like button for Azizato.
And comment for Azizato for us.
No. Smash the like button for Azizat and put a comment for me.
Oh yeah, that's better. Such a foodie.
So guys, we do the mixture.
We don't call them guys. I mean, we actually said we should. Some have been thinking, what name should we call you?
Yeah,
you know,
that's what I'm doing.
Oh, sorry. In the vlog, we call your Post Family. Should we call you AZ Squad?
No.
Leave a comment. I mean, AZ Squad sounds better. We can say our Post Family in this cooking channel. AZ Squad. Oh, okay, AZ Gang. What's up, AZ Gang? Or what's up, gang?
No,
It's actually. I think what's up, AZ Gang. Still do better. So, they mixing. Chef, talk.
So basically, I want to do something crazy. So this gives you that taste. But you know what I do? I add suya spice.
Ah. Do you think it's gonna be nice? Don't use the spoon. Assist with this new.
Do you know why?
Oh, you make it spicy.
Yeah, it gives that flavor. You come and taste it. You will see.
Nah, no, thank you. I'm not tasting it raw.
So guys, that's done. I don't know how to turn wrap. I'm very bad at turning it. That's my problem. I don't know.
Just turn it anyway. It's homemade. We are not professionals, isn't it?
Yeah, it's homemade.
What about the cheese?
So if it's not coming out, but just the taste.
It tastes better, but I mean, as is, we need to make it come out nice because of thumbnail.
Is that on thumbnail? It's just like 5 and 6.
Yeah, because we need this catchy thumbnail for people to click. Our first family always come back, but we need more family members. So
I'm not managing sausage, but for these kids.
the boys, yeah.
Very good.
We add in cheese.
Hope it's not going to be too cheesy. Hope
You
it's
know,
not too much like this. My lord, damn. Okay.
And you're able to wrap it very well now. You try.
Yeah, but
So where is it going?
yeah.
Oh, okay. You did not turn it on.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
There you go. This is one. Let's do the second one because
Just do the boys one first, then we'll do ours last.
those boys, I know them. Before they start,
Actually, Ahmad, Jamal and Imran are fine, but Ahmad is the one the first
person. Yeah. This morning I was doing egg muffin for them. This morning. Sorry that you didn't eat.
I mean,
You're sleeping.
I could hear something. I could smell something. But then by the time I got downstairs, I guess what we eat. And I'm thinking like you normally make my one.
Yeah.
And I'm the one that actually get our muffins, you know.
Really? You got
Yeah, me.
We water.
Like sauce. Mama, can you check that for me, please? So it's gonna keep turning, isn't it? Turn. And of course, family, I will be right back. It's ready. Ooh, yummy. In my tummy, help Mama to cut it.
It's ready.
Can you hold it a little assist for them to see it? See? Wow. Can I eat? Yes. Don't worry, Jama, you will eat yours as well, okay? This is so yummy.
Can I have it?
Yes, you can.
I want to give you a big one, Ahmad, okay?
Ahmad, it's yummy. Very yummy. I tried from Imran's one and I love it. Her first family. Look at what my husband served me. Thank you. Is that this happy? Ooh, yummy in my tummy.
So,
I was family, this tastes so yummy. This is so good, like so good. It's so yummy. You guys need to try it, and I think you should add the suya spice to it as well. Add the suya spice. It's really nice. Chef, what's up? It's yummy, innit?
Before you go,
If you haven't subscribed to our channel,
make sure you subscribe.
turn on the bell icon notification to
Whenever
get notified
we post a video.
from the